Alright guys, I am back, and this week I've travelled an hour north of Perth. I just hit up a beach at a town called Two Rocks, which was absolutely stunning, and now I'm on the tracks heading further north. I'm going to tackle some dunes, do a bit of exploring, and hopefully find a great camp spot for tonight. It's the perfect day, let's get into it. Well, I think I just came to my first obstacle. Time to put the pressure down. So the sand can get really soft here, so I'm gonna go 16 PSI for today. Oh, it's kind of steep. First gear low, let's go. Okay, that was a piece of cake. Pretty sick view from up here. Looks like there's a fire going on in the background over there. Not sure what that's all about. Interesting, but we'll keep trekking along. So the first destination I'm heading for is called Sovereign Park. It's a dune system. Came here a couple of weeks ago, got bogged twice. The sand is super soft, so hopefully I don't get caught out today. Well, I can see the ocean. I'm actually pretty keen for a swim today. So this is Sovereign Park. Pretty cool little dune system. It's pretty close to Two Rocks. I reckon you can see it in the background on the drone shots. Let's have a play. It's a sick little playground, I'll give it that. Might try and find a spot with an ocean view and chill out for a little bit before I hit the next destination. Can't remember what the next destination is called. I'll get it up in a sec. Alright, Sovereign Park Dune System. Pretty cool little 4-wheel drive destination, not too far from Two Rocks. If you look over in the background, you can actually see Two Rocks. That's where I started this morning. So the plan now is I'm gonna go up that track and hit my next destination, which is called Wilbinga Dune System 2. Let's go. So Wilbinga Dune System's like, I don't know, 200 meters away from Sovereign Park. Oh, looks like we're hitting the beach. Right, so this is Wilbinga Dune System 2. Pretty much just a big open area, sand, leads straight down to the beach. It's It's pretty cool. Do a bit of a drive around and then head to the next destination. Let's have a look. So there's nothing too crazy here. I might just pull up beside the ocean and chill out for a little bit. Alright, next destination is Wilbinga Dune 1. Let's do it. And so this is Wilbinga Dunes 1. Just another big open area right in the ocean. There's not really much else to see here, so I'll keep moving. So I'm just pushing further north past Wilbinga Dunes 1 and hopefully find something to drive up. If not, I'll just park up for the night and camp out. Oh, screw it, I'm hitting the beach. This place is pretty fun just to cruise around. There's heaps to do, heaps to see. Righto, epic camp spot has been acquired and check out the view. It is perfect. Time to set up. Alright, fire's starting to get going. I'm going to need some good coals tonight because I'm going to try and attempt to cook a pizza in a camp oven, which I've never done before. Might not go to plan. But I'm absolutely wrapped with this camp spot. It is just perfect here. I might even go for a quick dip. Let's go. Have a look at that. It's absolutely perfect in there. I'm loving this warmer weather, finally. Alright, it's a bit chilly, just wait for some good coals and I can put the pizzas on. Keen. It's time to make some pizzas. Ham and pineapple on first. See how it goes. Looking too bad. Oh, it's perfect. Put the other one on. Pepperoni one's on. Let's go have a look at the ham and pineapple. Alright, it's looking fantastic. Let's see how it tastes. That is a 10 out of 10 from me. Alright, let's have a look at the pepperoni. Yep, it's perfect. I've absolutely nailed this. It's even better than the first one. Have a look at that. That is absolutely incredible. Okay, those pizzas were out of this world. I cannot believe how good they come up. I'll definitely be cooking them in a camp oven again. I didn't really outline what the plan was for today at the start, but yeah, pretty much hit up Sovereign Park, then Wilbinga Dunes System 2, and then Wilbinga Dunes System 1, and then find a great camp spot, which here I am. Plan for tomorrow is I'm just gonna wake up, see how early I get up, and hopefully drive 5 hours north to check out a Pink Salt Lake. I'll see how I go depending on time, but yeah, it's been a great day, did a lot of exploring. Can't wait for tomorrow. I'll see you then. Right, I slept way too well last night. It's now 9:30. I guess that's the issue of having a comfy rooftop tent. You just do not want to get out of it in the morning. If you're interested in that tent, I'll chuck a link in the description. And if you make a purchase, use that link and use code NEVERWASTEDA for a $100 discount. I'll also chuck a walkthrough video in the description. Check that out as well. So I'm probably not going to make it to the Pink Salt Lake today. So I'm going to head up the coast, check out the Moore River Inlet, and then end the day at Gilderton Sand Dunes. But first, I'm going for a swim. Next up, Moore River Inlet. So I just passed the Wilbinga Shacks just to give you an idea of where I am. I did not know it was this beautiful up here. This is incredible. It's just nothing but green, sand, and ocean views. And the tracks are super fun. And there is that many different dune systems on the way through here. This is definitely a fun drive if you're into your four-wheel driving. That was fun. Yeah, there's beach access points all along here. It's sick. Okay, I'm just on this track. It's a bit overgrown for my liking. Not because I care about the paint job on the Triton, just because when a track's overgrown, sometimes it means people don't drive them for a reason. Hopefully, it's just an old forgotten track. You would not want to get stuck out here. There's just no way you're gonna get found. There's no reception, and it's just a complete maze. And back on the beach, and it is super soft, which I'm not liking at all. And I just got bogged. Fuck. I am super bogged and not in a good spot. So the max tracks, best way out of this is backwards. Alright, moved a bit. Budged a bit, but not enough. Need to try and get it just far enough up there so I can get back where I came in. Whew. So we go this time. Not great. Right, so I've lost the max track. It is absolutely buried somewhere. I cannot find it. Put the tyres down the 10 PSI. Got one max track behind the car. See how we go this time. Getting there, slowly. Attempt number 3. I found the second max track, so that's gonna help. It's gonna take a bit. I'm sweating bullets. I think I just need to try not to floor it too early. See how this goes. Now I'm still stuck on the beach, but in a lot better position than what I was. Oh, have a look at that. There's one max track, and the other one is just buried, eh? Shit. That's why I kept leaving the shovel so I could find where it was. So here lies my next issue. Sand is super soft and I need to get from there up here. Now I can't move from there, I can only maybe go backwards. So I'm thinking if I can get all the way up there, get a run up, and then just absolutely launch it up here. That is the plan. I really hope I don't get bogged here again. Yeah, okay, so reverse back down and launch it. That's the only plan I got. Oh, not bad. Let's see if the max tracks can save us from this. So close. I don't even know where the max tracks went. Let's try this again. I just need to get momentum. Launch it up there. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Got out. Now, just gotta hope I can get up the dunes back out of here. I'm just gonna find the quickest way to this inlet now. Definitely not hitting the beach again today, but that was fun. Learned something. What did they say? Best way to learn something is in the face of danger. Well, there you go. That's why there's no one on these tracks. Hopefully I can get out of here. The whole car is covered in sand and I wouldn't have it any other way. Got up and out of there. Now just gotta find another way to this inlet. Rightio guys, so I've ended up back at Sovereign Park. The track's just getting way too crazy. I was getting lost and I wasn't 100% sure if I could make it to my destination. So I've just backtracked, made it to here. Awesome little spot to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed seeing me get bogged. All the next videos should be all up north trips. I just need to sort out a new dual battery system and some new tires. But yeah, pretty keen for that. Stay tuned for the next episodes. Have a great day and don't waste it.